Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to my trading channel. My name is Nana Osai, and in this video, I reveal to you the Fire Your Boss trading strategy. Now, without wasting time, let's get right into it. So, this strategy is based on my book titled Naked Forex Trading Secrets: Trade Macro and Micro Trends for a Living, and another one titled Trading Divergences: 20 Types of Divergence and How to Trade Them. So, without wasting time, let's get into it. So, according to the Naked Forex Trading Secrets, you determine the micro trend. So from here to here, you have the micro trend set up on the 15 minutes time frame. So all you do is to switch to a lower time frame where you look for setups. So you realize that here, up to here, the micro trend setup was in place. So if you switch the 5 minutes time frame, you realize that over here you have bearish hidden divergence, which gives you the permission to short. However, ladies and gentlemen, note that this is the boom instrument. And for booms, you don't want to buy. You always, no, sorry, you don't want to sell. You always want to buy because it spikes. So you don't want to buy. But the purpose of this video is to reveal to you the Fire Your Boss trading strategy. Now that we've looked at a bearish setup or a sell setup, let's look at a buy setup. So according to the Naked Forex Trading Secrets book, from here, right at the close of this candle, the bullish micro trend setup is ready. You realize that the micro trend is in place up to this point. So being in place, you just switch to the 5 minutes time frame, then you look for your setups. So here you have this and this. So you realize that here you have a bullish hidden divergence. Because price made a higher low, whereas the indicator made, or the momentum oscillator made a lower low compared to the previous swing. You have another setup here. If you look critically, you'd realize that this setup, there's a setup. As long as the micro trend is in place in the 15 minutes time frame, you don't have to fear. You have to enter your trade when you have the setup. There's another one. It's a bullish regular divergence, and it is a bullish orders divergence as well. So you have a multi-divergence setup. But I don't like trading this kind of setup because it is difficult finding a good place to place your stop loss. Maybe if it is possible for you to identify this on the 1 minute time frame, maybe you can enter. Otherwise, it is not a good entry point. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the system. Fire your boss trading strategy. You use the 3-period momentum indicator on the 5 minutes time frame. So periods momentum indicator reflects what's happening on the 15 minutes time frame, because you have 3 periods. So 3 periods on 5 minutes gives you 15. So it gives you the 15 minutes time frame. So the divergences you find here are actually divergences available in the micro trends on the 15 minutes time frame. My book on naked forex trading secrets recommends that you look at the macro trend as well and let your trades on the micro trend reflect the direction of the micro trend. But this recommendation varies from instrument to instrument. So you don't want to always stick to uh, rules that may not really work for a particular indicator, so a particular instrument. So you want to always go for what works. And the secret is in backtesting. As you backtest your system, you get to know what works and what doesn't work. So I wish you all the best with this, with your trading. Before we go, let's quickly look at another setup. So over here, we have the micro trend setup on the bullish, on the boom instrument. Right after the close of this candle, you have your micro trend set up here. So, and this, you find the micro trend on the 15 minutes time frame, and you go to the 5 minutes time frame and look for your entries. So over here, realize that you have, so you look for setups only after the oscillator has crossed the zero line, the 100% line, and before you look for your divergence. So you see that here, the momentum indicator crossed the zero line and created a bearish divergence, a bullish hidden divergence. There's also a bullish, yeah, bullish hidden divergence, and so you have an entry here, and you can enter. So I wish you all the best with your trading. As you know, this, you cannot trade this unless you have backtested it on your favorite pairs so that you can trade it. So do not just trade blindly. Trade based on what you have practiced and what works best for you. So I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. You can check out my books in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can post them there and I'll respond. Thank you so much. All the best.